Hello aspirant, welcome to INCARD IAS Academy. First of all, you must know what is that civil service examination. The Union Public Service Commission, which will conduct the civil service exam and recruit the officers for the various services in the government of India. As of now, there are 24 services under the UPSC civil service examination. In that, there is a three category. First of all, that is all India services, Group A services, Group E services. For in all India service, we have three services. That is Indian Administrative Service (IAS). That is a topmost cadre in the all India services. Next is Indian Police Services. That is a second cadre. Third one is the Indian Forest Services. These are the three all India services. First of all, Indian Administrative Services, Indian Police Services, Indian Forest Services. For the Group A Civil Service, there is a 16 services allocated for the Group A Central Civil Services. First of all, it is Indian Foreign Services, Indian Revenue Services, Indian Revenue Services, which is under the Customs and Indirect Taxes, Indian Audit and Account Services, Indian Civil Account Services, that is ICAS, Indian Corporate Law Services, that is ICLS, Indian Defense Account Services, that is IDAS, Indian Defense Estate Services, that is IDES, Indian Information Services, that is IIS, Indian Ordnance Factory Services, that is IOFS, now part of the Indian Defense Production Services, and Post and Telecommunication Accounts and Finance Services, that is IPTAFS, Indian Postal Services, Indian Railway Protection Force Services, that is IRPFS, Indian Trade Services, ITS, Indian P&D Building Work Services, now under the CPWD, that is a Public Work Department, Indian Railway Management Services, that is IRMS. These are the Group A Central Service, which is consist of totally 16 services. For the Group B Central Services, that is a Armed Force Headquarters Civil Service, that is AFHQCS, that is a Armed Force Headquarter. Next one is Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar Island Civil Services, that is a DANICS, DANICS. Delhi, Andaman Nicobar Island Police Services, that is a DANIF, that is a DANIPS. Pondicherry Civil Services, Pondicherry Police Services. Totally 5 service under the Group B Civil Services, that is a Central Civil Services. Civil Service Examination, totally 24 services. For All India Service, we have 3 services. For Group A, we have 16 services. Group B, we have 5 services. You can select your services in your detailed application form. So you must know what are the services available in the UPSC exam. Thank you so much.